Namaskar friends, welcome back to Mohanjanix. I hope all of you are safe and healthy and your study is also going well. As we are discussing about basic signals in signal and system, these signals are very important in the view of our exam and whole our engineering concepts. As we have already discussed unit impulse or impulse function, in this lecture we will move forward and discuss about unit step function or unit step signal. So without any delay पढ़ाई शुरू करते हैं. Unit step signal or unit step function. What is unit step signal? This signal is unit step signal. Its value is 0 till t is equal to 0 and it becomes 1 for t greater than 0. Okay, this kind of signal is called as unit step signal. It is represented by ut. Then if I will ask you what is value of this signal at t is equal to 0, what you will tell? I think you are assuming that its value is 1, but its value is not 1 at t is equal to 0. Its value is 1 for t greater than 0. Okay. So to get its value at t is equal to 0, Baba Gibbs have tell us one phenomenon that is called as Gibbs phenomenon. According to Baba Gibbs, at point of discontinuity, the signal value is given by average of the value just taken before and after the point of discontinuity. This means at the point of discontinuity, which is the point of discontinuity in this case, as the signal is constant for t less than 0 and for t greater than 0. That means this function is discontinue or discontinuity at t is equal to 0. So at point t is equal to 0 is point of discontinuity. Okay, so this is the discontinuous point. So at this point, signal value is given by, that means we require value of this signal at the point of discontinuity, that is t is equal to 0, is given by average of the value taken. We have to find average of the value taken just before and after the point of discontinuity. That means just before is for t less than 0 and for t greater than 0. So for t less than 0 its value is 0, that is 0 plus, and its value just after discontinuity is 1. So 0 plus 1 by 2 is zero point 0.5, or we can say at point of discontinuity its value is zero point 0.5. I will write it here. So if anyone will ask you what is the value of unit step signal at point t is equal to 0, you just tell its value is zero point 0.5 according to Gibbs phenomenon. So let's move into the properties of unit step signal. So our first property tell us that ut plus u of minus t is equal to 1. How it will come? I will explain you. First we have to draw the graph of ut, that is like this. Now we have to draw u of minus t. U of minus t is just we have to apply time reversal. Remember time reversal? In the time reversal, what we have to do? We have to flip the signal across y-axis. Okay, so this is the y-axis. This is y-axis. So we have to flip the signal across y-axis, means all the positive t parts of the signal become negative t parts and negative t parts of the signal become positive t parts. That means this side of the signal comes into this side like this, and this side of signal, that is 0, will come this side. So This will be our u of minus t. And what is value of t at t is equal to 0? Remember, according to Gibbs phenomenon, its value is 1 by 2, and again for this also its value will be same, 1 by 2. Now we have to draw ut plus u of minus t. So we have to add these two signals. For t greater than 0, its value is 1, but u of minus t value is 0. That means 0 plus 1 will become 1. I am leaving this part for t is equal to 0. I am just drawing. Let's consider it as for t greater than 0. Its value will be 1. Similar to this side is also same. Value of u of t for t less than 0 is 0, and for u of minus t it is 1. So it will become 0 plus 1 will become 1. And what is value at point t is equal to 0? For ut it is 1 by 2, and for u of minus t also it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 becomes 1. That's why it will become a flat line at 1. That's why u of t plus u of minus t is equal to 1. This was our, or this is our first property. Now let's move into second property. As I have asked you about impulse signal, whether it is energy signal, power signal, or neither energy nor power signal, I will ask you again for unit step signal, whether it is power signal, energy signal, or neither energy nor power signal. Tell me, friends. Yes, we already know these kind of signal from our previous lecture that these are power signal. As for any infinity duration signal, this is infinity duration signal. Remember, this is going up to infinity. Okay, so for any infinity duration signal, if the signal is constant or never going to infinity, then it is power signal. If its value is infinity at any instant of time, then only it could be neither energy nor power signal. For this case, it is power signal. And from our previous lecture, we also know that power of this signal is a naught square by 2. And what is a naught? A naught is 1 in this case. That's why its power is 1 by 2. Again, what is value of RMS? Value of RMS for this signal is a naught by root 2. A naught is 1. That's why its value will be 1 by root 2. And what will be the average? Average will be a naught by 2. That means average will be 1 by 2. So remember these points. These will help you for any multiple choice of question. So let's move into our third and very important property, that differentiation of unit step, that is d by dt of ut, is impulse signal. How it will come, I will explain you. What is differentiation? As we know that differentiation means slope. So differentiation of ut means slope of ut. So you think that slope of any constant signal or constant part is 0. So this part is 0, and also it is constant for t greater than 0. Okay, that's why here also its value will be 0. But at t is equal to 0, it is discontinued and its value is changing abruptly. That's why its value become an impulse signal. At t is equal to 0, we represent it by del t. Okay, so remember this point, that differentiation of u of t is equal to del t. Also we can say that integration of del t dt from minus infinity to infinity is ut. You can remember this or this, both is same. Integration of del t is ut or differentiation of ut is del t. फिलहाल इस लेक्चर में इतना ही। हम अगले अपने लेक्चर्स में और भी बेसिक सिग्नल्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे और अच्छी तरह जानेंगे। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप लोगों को ये लेक्चर अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गया। अगर आया तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें, अपने दोस्तों में ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। अपने कोई भी फीडबैक, सजेशंस या क्वेरी हो तो उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखना ना भूलें। मेरे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। और मुझे किसी भी सोशल मीडिया में फॉलो करने के लिए आप उसके लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देख सकते हैं। धन्यवाद दोस्तों, जय हिंद।